All right, Bash. What did he say, Bash?
Come on, guys.
I need something to
On the car. Don't go in the car. Go on the car. Go on the car. Step on the cap.
That ain't gonna work.
Bash, you are soft, man. You make it damage.
Get Bob back out here, stand on his shoulders. He's big.
Hey!
Listen up!
Okay, listen.
No.
Here's the thing, it's very simple. He wants to talk to one by one. Well, we only want two things. Number one is we need to go back on the old system until they get the new system good to go in every car. Number two, right here, this is the contract. It says agent is willing to provide, install and maintain necessary equipment with all enable independent contract. That's not happening. Okay, you know that.
It hasn't happened for a week.
For a week. So we want the reimbursement of the 1 week according to everybody's contract.
We are not
That's
paying
it.
lease.
Yes.
We are not paying lease.
We are not dropping.
We are not dropping.
Yeah, that's it. So if you go there, that's how you tell them. You
Two
go
simple
there,
things.
that's
Doesn't
how
need
you
to go
tell them.
beyond anything else.
That's it.
Yeah, but
We're not talking.
We were too long.
No, we are not talking. We are not talking.
Listen, Bash.
We're not done talking.
We don't talk individually. No.
They're not.
See how he's telling you.
Yeah. That is, see, because we are, the way he treated us is when I get angry at my dog or my goat or chicken, I say, hey, go out there, shoot. That's how, we are animals.
Thank you. We're not
And now what we are going to do is we're going to go in there and we're going to give them our money. Here you go. Bah. Okay, bah. That's what we are. They are the goat, they're the sheep herd, we are the sheep.
Why we work for him?
Huh?
Why we work for him?
Because we don't have a choice. We don't have medallions. We don't have permits.
So we need to stop it. We have to have our permit.
Well, right now we need two things. Number one, reimbursement of the weekly lease that we paid, or the 24-hour, 12-hour, whatever it is. And number two, they need to put the old system back in until each and every car has a BlackBerry in their vehicle.
Or a functioning dispatch system, whatever that may be. A functioning dispatch system, we serve the customers, which serves us as drivers, which serves them.
Come on, go. Hey, you should have asked me.
Robert, what do you think of the way he talked to us?
Like trash. Like nothing. Because we're not employees. We're independent contractors.
Don't you think he could have used a little more dignity?
Yes, he could have.
I'm not so sure I want to work for this piece of shit.
Forget what they say. If they want to put the new system, all they have to do, they get a 3 cars of their own.